Welcome to my guitar tutorial. I want to play a piece today. It means Like Ice in the Sunshine. It has become known for the Langney's ice cream advertising. The composer is Hanno Harders, a Hamburger. I have written a guitar, an acoustic guitar to it, and the patterns run over it. You can also download it. I think the piece can also be played very well. But if you want to play with band, I also offer backing track. You can also download it below. And when I play that, I'll make a few more explanations. Please stay tuned. See you later.
In the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on a sunny day. Like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on a sunny day. When you walk along the beach, three boys and girls hand in hand, relaxing the midday heat with an ice cream in your hand. Like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on this sunny day. Like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on this sunny day. If you wanna have some fun, feeling grooving down by the sea, lay down in the summer sun, feel a good vibration with me. Like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on this sunny day. Like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on this sunny day.
When you're in sea, ocean, bay, see the surfers glide out of reach. Have fun on a sunny day with ice cream on the beach.
Like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on this sunny day. Like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on this sunny day.
Welcome back. Pretty high the vocals. Yes, many verses are sung with women. Only at the beginning a man sings. So for women is not a problem. And for men I would just suggest singing an octave deeper. There was a song through my head, namely the Sunshine Reggae, and there sings the Dutchman who recorded it, also deep and high, and sounds quite good too. So if it too high, just sing one octave deeper, especially when you play it alone. For me the head voice sounds terrible, yes, but I did it anyway. Yes, good. So I want to start with the beginning. So I want to start with like ice in the sun, and I sing an octave deeper. Like ice in the, I want to play it for a moment. Like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting away on this sunny day. Yes, then I have the first, like in the sunshine, everything comes to syncope. And then I wrote underneath how it is counted. I will clap. 1, 2 und 3 und 4. And since that is sung alone at the beginning, it doesn't matter. And then there are 2 straight notes. Sunshine. When these straight notes come, then it comes against it, namely with this rhythm. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. I think that it's important that you do it that way. It sounds better than if everything is the same. So the rhythm of the guitar of the second bar would be 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it comes back straight again. Whereby it occurs in the top of the singing. So I am doing it very slowly. Like ice in the sunshine. Yes, I don't know if you hear that. This sun, when the sound comes down, the guitar is already struck, and then there is another upstroke. Sunshine, that's all. If it were the same, then it would be sunshine. That is boring. Again, like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sunshine, I'm melting all. Yes, so that's important to me, that it is played like that. I had another groove at the beginning that would have gone like ice in the sunshine, like ice in the sun. That was too boring for me. Then there is a difficult part in bar 97. You can download the tablature. That is below. I said it at the beginning, and then it works. It starts with a G minus 7. Yes, that actually plays a synthesizer, but I still write it for a guitar. Again, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then comes a saxophone solo. And then I have to explain the chords. The G minus 7 works in the third location, or sometimes so. He is simple. And then there is a G9-4. He is so. It is actually according to Fred Hart's jazz studies. He wrote many books. So a G-odd would be like that, and then just put it down to F and leave lying the G bass. And this chord can also be topped up. Play on the 8th covenant, and this is exactly on the notes as the penultimate chord. This is a G9-4. I'm going down, now I try to explain that. The G is a basic bass. The F is the minus 7th, and C is the 9th. And if it were a G9, so I have fingernails too long. Or so is the G9. But its G is the third. It is not there, but it's not a C above, and that's why the quarters are the 4. So such a chord is called G9-4. Or so is the same. And then it starts at measure 98. As E flat as basic bass, so this is different between G minus 7. Sounds great. And then it is simply pulled up chromatically. Then there is not a E flat 9-4, but an E 9-4, an F 9-4, an F sharp 9-4, a G 9-4, and to the G flat, and then the A chord comes, the sax solo comes. So who doesn't interest that, simply leave out, and then you can modulate just to do that. G minus 7, and then just in the fifth location, the E9-4 is the dominant, and then you also come to A. But I stuck to the original. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do 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 do. Yes, I think that's it. I hope you liked it. You can give me a thumb up if you liked it. And then, until next time, ciao. By the way, anyone who wants to notes for the guitar arrangement can publish it on YouTube or offer it for download. You can write me an email and I'll send it to you. So you can only download these patterns and the backing track if you still want to. I just want to point that out.